This extraordinary creature is half blind, half deaf, and this is just about as fast as it can move. That's what's going to happen to you if you live on nothing but leaves. Any predator could attack it, and it doesn't have the speed to escape. Why it comes down in this way is a mystery. No one knows. Now,